Welcome to our Summer from Scratch series. Each week we're diving into the season's freshest produce straight from our local farmers and making delicious treats from scratch. Today we're making the most moist zucchini chocolate chip bread, sausage egg bites, and hidden veggie mac and cheese. So join us as we learn together, especially with summer break in full swing. I hope these fun recipes inspire you and your kids to get creative in the kitchen this season. Hi guys, welcome back to Summer from Scratch series. This is episode 2. Today we have the privilege of going to a nearby farmer's market. It was so wonderful. There were so many cool vendors there. You can tell we're in the peak of summer produce season because everything was just beautiful. We picked up some zucchini, as you can see, I'm shredding already. We picked up some beautiful tomatoes that we're gonna do something fun with. Some pork sausage that she said was processed yesterday. So literally as fresh as it gets. We picked up some corn to make corn on the cob tomorrow and some other stuff like milk and just random goodies that we saw here and there. So today on the menu, we are making, this is taking so much longer than I anticipated. My kids are going through a picky eating season. Well, they have been for quite some time. And so we try to hide vegetables and protein wherever we can. If they see something green, they won't eat it. If they see an onion, they won't eat it. So I have to be really careful to not ruin a dish. So the good thing about kind of doing this is your oven's already on, your dishes are already dirty. So it's just more productive to just knock out a few different things and prep a few meals for your family. That way you can keep them in the fridge, and whenever they're hungry, they know that there's some options in there they can just take out and warm up. Okay, let's fast forward. I wish you can fast forward in real life, but at least you don't have to sit here and do this with me. Okay, let's measure the rest of the ingredients for the zucchini bread. I just put the zucchini in here, and those 2 big zucchinis was the perfect amount that we needed. 3 cups exactly. I'm glad I got 2. I was gonna get 1, thinking. So that must be 1 large zucchini in each loaf of bread. So that's not bad, it's pretty good. Sugar. Vanilla. Salt. Eggs. The melted butter. Okay, give it a good mix. Then we're gonna add our dry ingredients, starting with flour. Baking soda. Cinnamon. Give that a rough mix before we add in our zucchini. Okay, it's looking good. Now we're going to add in our chocolate chips. And it's ready for our loaf pan. So now with clean hands, we're going to butter our loaf pans. Sprinkle with a few more chips on top and put in the oven. Okay, so the zucchini bread is in the oven and the timer is on. So now we're gonna work on our mac and cheese because the egg bites are gonna need to go in the oven. And so we'll do that last so we can switch the bread with the egg bites. Has anyone tried to shred cheese in a blender? I don't have a food processor. This might go terribly. We'll see. I just cubed it. I bought it in a big block. I'm gonna pulse it and see what happens. It's not working. Don't try this at home. Don't ever try this, everybody. This is your warning. It looks like I've made pimento cheese. Okay, live and learn. We're adding cottage cheese, some milk, our butternut squash, little squeeze of Dijon mustard, some seasonings. I'm doing pepper, garlic powder, and salt. It's really good. It doesn't even have cheese yet. Went ahead and put some protein noodles to boil and our sausage for our egg bites to cook. I know this may seem silly, but to me this is easier than bringing out that thing, the shredder. And I just need it small enough so that they melt. So when we go to strain the pasta, we're gonna not dirty another bowl. I'll leave the pasta in the colander in the sink. I'll put my sauce here to melt, and then I'll just throw my noodles right back in here because there's no need to dirty two different things. Since this is still cooking, I'm gonna put my cheese sauce in this bowl so that I can use this to start making my egg mixture. Just trying to be efficient here and work smarter, not harder. The bowl already dirty. I may as well just combine it. It's all going to be melted together anyway. These are already washed. I like to crack them individually before putting them in because just a good rule of thumb, farm fresh eggs, they just can you can have one bad one and you ruin your whole mixture. That would be devastating. I've made egg bites so many times that I've just done it so many different ways. I don't even measure anymore. I just throw things in there and blend it up and they always taste amazing. But I'll put a recipe down in the description in case you need more guidance so you know where to start. We're going to put a little piece of red pepper in there. We don't want to see it. We don't want to know it's there. We're going to put like 3/4 cup cottage cheese, pepper, not too much because my kids think it's spicy, garlic. Also, our sausage is so flavorful that truly this does not need that much. She's such a hard worker. Now we're gonna melt our sauce. So see, we're working fast around here. You know what? I feel like adding a little knob of butter because I had this left over. Why not? I'm gonna start loading our egg bites into these muffin pans. I love the consistency I'm seeing, but the cheese has to melt. If it's a little bit too thick, we can modify it. Flavor wise, I know it's perfect because I tried the sauce and now it's just gonna add more flavor from the cheese melting. So I'm not worried about the flavor. I can't get over how good that pork is. I cannot get over that. Wow. And this is the timer for our zucchini bread, so we're gonna roll with this. You know what I just realized? I could have been doing this the whole time. What is wrong with me? Okay, so we got 18. That's not bad. And we need to mix our cheese. It is ready for the macaroni noodles. I'm gonna clean up. We're gonna take out the bread and we're gonna give the bread a little taste test when we try the egg. That'll give the bread a little bit of time to just settle and, you know, cool down. So let's get to cleaning up. The good thing is my dishwasher is empty, so a lot of that I'm gonna stick it right in there. It's a good thing about starting, like when you're doing something like this and you're cooking a lot of things at once, starting with a clean kitchen and an empty dishwasher, it feels so much less overwhelming that you can just stick everything in there now. Imagine if my dishwasher was full. Then now I have to worry about unloading my dishwashers and load it back up. No, that's way too, it's too much. Let's plate up this mac and cheese for my kids. See what they think. Okay, it's really hot, buddy. Let's let it cool down. Yeah, but hold on. Let it cool down. Okay, so we just put the egg bites in. They need to be in there for 15 minutes, so it should be really quick. I took out the zucchini bread. It's cooling. It looks really, really nice. And my kids are going to taste test the macaroni and cheese. Yeah? The mac and cheese. You like it? Is it good?
I'm having a whole plate.
Okay, good. What do you think, Nico? Thumbs up for real? You actually really, you like it? Just like last time? All right. Did I got dirty. Whoa. They're huge. The oil from the sausage overflowed into the bottom of my oven and caused smoke. No. Wow. If they're good, they're good. So, ready?
This is an egg bite.
Really good.
Yucky. Yeah.
You don't like it? Nico, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Why don't you like it? Is it spicy?
I'll try it one more time.
It's really good.
Can I try?
Yeah.
I like it.
You change your mind?
Mm-hmm. I like it.
I think it's really good.
Now can we try the bread?
Yes.
The chocolate bread's the best.
You
Mommy,
like it?
Can I have a little tiny bite of it?
Okay, let me try. That is so much better than I thought it was going to be.
Mommy, can I have a little tiny bite of that? So much better than I thought it would be.
Open. It's really good. Better than any chocolate bread I've ever made.
Mommy, can I have another bite?
That is moist.
Mommy, can I have another bite?
If you make anything from this video, just one thing, just make this. Go buy 2 zucchinis wherever. Buy some chocolate chips, and I'm sure you have the rest of the ingredients at home. This is the first time I make this.
Yeah.
We will definitely be making it again, right? Definitely.
Very much.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching our video. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do so. We'll be posting a video every week. The next one goes live next Friday. Let us know what we should make next.
From scratch.
From scratch. Bye, guys.
Wait.
Go, what?
I'm going to tell you a joke. Since butter sticks to your shirt, stick along with our video with the other side of the butter and make everything that we're making, and the butter will help you. And if you have this costume, then you can wear the mask.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Bye, friends. Stick along. Stick along.